long story at its longest, I might not have recorded the last video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. Today, on today's episode of What Am I Doing? The usual. We're gonna open up my Allure beauty box. What is this, February? February. Because for some reason she decided to come the morning, the day, the night, right before I take off on like 30 trips, vacations, outings, whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and get through with her real quick. This seems pretty light in my opinion. If you're new to my channel, hi. But if you're new to Allure Beauty Box, I'll leave more in the description down below. You get a couple, and I know they're always like, you get full size and like deluxe, whatever, fancy, ultra, mega, mini. Okay, they don't say mini, but they say like something like that every month. And I think it's like 20 some a month, which was why I never wanted to get the box in the first place, because I was like, dang girl, that's expensive. And I already had Ipsy and BoxyCharm, so I was like, what do you have to offer? And when I tell you, I've never hated anything I've received from Allure Beauty Box. So that tells me they're doing something right. I should also tell you, because I have a whole Allure Beauty Box playlist. This video is going in there too, so you should go check them out. Like all the past boxes I've gotten, they're all good. And I'm continuing this subscription, all good stuff too. That's it. What did I say? This is February 2025, by the way. So let's go through everything that I received. We'll do this together. You get this cute little booklet with it. Allure Beauty Box. We got like the little hearts because the Valentine's Day. On the inside you have a little message from the Deputy Beauty Director, which I think is real cute. You should totally read it. And then all these little pages about what you've gotten. If it's full size, the price. If it's not full size, the full size price. Why you will love it. And then a little bit about how to use the product. So, okay. First of all, pink tissue paper. Hello. The first item is from Merit Beauty, and I do remember I got to pick the shade. Is that this? Is this what this is? Yeah. Got to pick the shade. It is the Merit Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil in either Bel Air, Au Naturel, Pink Beat, or Jeté. $24 for 7 ml, and I'm pretty sure this is 7 ml. Yeah, it's a full size item. So cool. I picked Pink Beat because when you look on here, to me, they all look super similar. Like the similarist. But when I went onto the Merit website, there's a little bit more variety in the color. God dang it. So I'm gonna rip the box. I know it. Oh, no, I didn't. So typically what I do is when I get subscription boxes and there's like a choice and there's just different colors, I go to the actual brand's website because they typically give more information, better information on that. So this, we're not very heavy. It's Pink Beat Tinted Lip Oil, which I've been so into lately, and I'm so glad everybody, like all the brands, are coming out with some kind of a lip oil. So how to use it: you're going to swipe on the lip oil by itself or wear it over a lip pencil for a little added definition, which is probably what I would do. These barely there tints, true from the pictures I've seen, it kind of doesn't matter what one you pick, give lips just the right amount of oomph in one of 4 gorgeous colors. Each feels light and comfortable on the lips but lasts for ages. A nice perk given how unfussy these lip tints are to apply. I don't typically do this, but I have a tissue sitting right here. I'm gonna come in, and it's more like a brown nude for me that I have on right now. Yeehaw ColourPop. And we're gonna come in with this. Do I need a lip liner though? I'm gonna try this without a lip liner. Are we a little like, do I have to shake it? It looks like it came separated a little bit, which happens if you're just chilling for a while, a long time. Shade Slick. Ooh. Okay. Yep. Look at that. Are you gonna give me my lips but better? I mean, there's no real smell to it. I am definitely a mauve-y girl. Not that I didn't enjoy the color I just had on from ColourPop. It was like s'mores, give me s'mores, I think. But this, hello. I'm not putting it back on the box. No. Also, $24 for this. It weighs honestly hardly anything. It weighs more than my ColourPop lip tint, so I'll give it that. So there's something in there. Cute, but $24? Everybody's got their own. A sheer color makes lips look super juicy, and they're not wrong. I love this. It does feel nice. It's not sticky. I can feel it kind of like soaking in, not just sitting on top, which is nice. And I've been into shine with my lips lately. I know. And like matte is my thing, but the shine, she's got me. Ooh. Let me see. Cute. Okay. This next item is from Skin Inc. It is the Pure Deep Sea Hydrating Overnight Mask. So this is a full size at 30 ml or a 1 fluid ounce. And it's $85. Does anybody want to tell me? I mean, tell me why, because like, why am I gonna love it? Clear gel mask feels so good on skin, cooling to the touch, soothing, welcome addition to any routine, time of year. You know that's right. I do need the moisture. I enjoy it and I need it. Hyaluronic acid, glycerin, incredibly high. Very thin coat feels calming on my dry, irritated skin. Huh. So how you're going to use it is just by smoothing on the mask and let it sit for 30 minutes or overnight. Comfortable to sleep in. Huh. So I have been going with more moisturizers lately. However, I'm going with heavy creams, not the gel. The gel just isn't doing it for me right now. I feel like it just sits on top of my skin lately and she's not getting down in there to really shape my skin. Nutrient-rich water from Japan. Are you a watery? No. That's kind of thick. Nice though. I do like it. $85. I know I have a large head, but this $85. Let me just, if you have the Rare Beauty lotion, which by the way, I love it. This is the size comparison. And I think this is like $23, $28. But this is lotion, right? Yeah, lotion. And this is hydrating mask. $3 though. That's pricey. In my opinion, pricey. Which, ugh, I'm kind of scared because, like, what if I do fall in love with it? I usually like to use the gel moisturizers in the summer because for some reason it just, but I mean, we'll see. We'll see. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love it, but then, like, what if I'm gonna repurchase it? Oh, anyway. Thanks, Allure. Then, are we doing this? So that was 2 items. And I don't know if Allure is doing this on purpose. Let's do one at a time. So on this page, there's 2 items, clearly 2 items. And I thought, like, shampoo, conditioner. However, let me show you. This is the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. So why am I going to love it? When the indoor heat makes my hair more prone to dryness and flyaways, this leave-in treatment steps in, smooths, frizz, and hydrates all hair types. This is not the full size. This is 20 mil and the full size is 100 mil for $30. But I mean, if it works, it works. For me, my hair, if it works, it's worth it. But $30. Oh, how to use it. Finger comb this formula through damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to ends. Mid-length? Middle to end of your hair. Sorry, it threw me off. Then run what's left on your hands over the roots. It's light enough that it won't weigh hair down. And this is small enough. I don't know if I can get it through all of my hair. I have a lot of hair. She's thick. But we can try it. So this is the first Olaplex item. The second Olaplex item, very similar looking. This is the Olaplex number 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum, which, like, I have been loving bonders. I mean, yeah, bonding with my hair, but like bonders for my hair, bonding, you know what I mean. It's a Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. This is 20 mil. Full size is 90 mil. Full size 90 mil, $30. You're going to smooth it over damp towel dried hair from the mid lengths to the ends, then run what's left over your fingers on your roots. High temps from blow dryers and flat irons can damage your hair, causing a whole lot of frizz issues. Frizz, flyaways, split ends, dullness in the long run. So this helps make your hair look shinier while it works, and it's a heat protectant. Okie dokie. I might be able to get 1.5, maybe 2 uses out of that, so cool. Okay. 2 items from the same brand. Kind of like shampoo, shampoo, conditioner. Excuse me? Huh. I mean, as I, like, smash my face. This next item, so what are we on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th item in the box is from Mega Babe, which I've tried products from them before, do enjoy. It is the Glow Deo, either Rosy Pits or the Smoothie Deo. Oh, mine's the Glow Deo. It's the skin brightening daily deodorant with Mega Bright Complex. $14. Apply it in the morning and you're good for the rest of the day. No matter what scent you're trying, these deodorants will smell fresh and stay that way all day long. You might still sweat. It's deodorant, not an antiperspirant, but you'll smell good doing it. I didn't get to choose. They chose randomly for me. It's good for 18 months after I open it. The thing is, though, oh, it's a screw up cap. Ooh! Kind of herbally. I like it. I've had, I don't know if I've talked about this enough. I've had some underarm issues, the worst of my whole life last year. Horrible allergic reaction, and then it just escalated from there. Skin like broke down. I had to go to my doctor again, a dermatologist, like get tests and stuff done, and it turns out I was allergic to everything, and then stopping everything made it even worse. And so long story short, I've been using the spray antiperspirants now, something that doesn't actually like go on and touch and build bacteria on my skin, if that kind of makes sense. So this might be a little different. I do want to try it though. I do. Plus this is pretty big and hefty. I like it. Oh, the color, she's cute. And $14 is not bad. If it works, it's not bad. Once upon a time I used the, what was it, Dove Clinical Strength, I want to say. Worked for the longest time. I could go, and like, don't hate me because I was in my teens, I could go days without reapplying deodorant, like hanging out with friends, running around, doing sportsy activities, dancing into the night, and I was fine. So once upon a time, that stuff was amazing. The last item this is a sample. It's gotta be, yeah, okay. So this is from 3 Ships Beauty Dewdrops Mushroom Plus Kakadu Plum Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Is there anything in this? No? Barely? My lips feel good. So this is 7 ml. The full size is 30 ml and it's $37. You're going to smooth it into your skin in the morning and top it off with your usual moisturizer because it's a serum. Goes underneath it. It's brightening, hydrating, light, easy to layer. Give your skincare a boost with soothing aloe, hydrating coconut, and more. Huh. And that's everything. Now there's just like little ads for things. That's cute. Ooh. And HelloFresh. I moved my trash can over here again. I don't use that, so by all means feel free. That's it. Let me put everything back in here so it looks cute. There's not much to put back in here. Like, it all just fits evenly. This month's box kind of seemed meh. Don't tip over. Meh. Like, to me, just meh. Good stuff. I will be using it all. Usually there's a bit more oomph, but I'll take what I can get. 1, 2, 3 full-size products out of 6 products. So cool. Not bad. Thanks, Allure. I'm gonna leave this lippy on because this feels pretty nice. And if you have any tips for me on any of the products in here, especially the Olaplex, let me know in the comments below. But anywho, we're done. That's it. I know I tried to make this short and like simple and sweet. However, I'm a yapper. So, it is what it is. Anywho, I'm gonna go. Thanks for hanging out. I will catch you in my next video. Bye!